Week 8, final level, the victory level. Take a deep, proud breath. Read with me. Level 1, listen first. Would you try them? Together now. Would you try them? Nice. Curiosity is a gentle thing, and you are using yours perfectly. Level 2, bravery is a quiet choice. Today, I promise you will feel your own inner strength. You've been practicing for 8 weeks and you are ready. Listen, I will try them. Together now, I will try them. Beautiful. That is true courage in action. Level 3, have you ever been surprised by something new? Today, reading carries a new magic, the magic of joy. You are succeeding right now. Listen first. I like them. Together now with a smile. I like them. Wonderful. You aren't just reading, you are celebrating. Level 4. Think back to week 1. You have walked a long path. Today, I promise to help you see the whole picture. Listen first. I do like green eggs and ham. Together now. I do like green eggs and ham. Woohoo! You finished it. You read the whole story. You are smart, so capable, and for finishing the entire book, you get the ultimate reward, the Master Reader Trophy. I am so proud of you. You finished the challenge. You read with Sam, with the fox, on the train, and in the dark. Parents, thank you for being part of this journey. All of our learning links and the book links are in the description. You are a reader now. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!